Pigeonhole principle. Pigeonhole principle states that if items are put into the containers with, then at least one container must be contain more than one item. Let there are 10 pigeons and there are 9 pigeonholes. In the evening, each pigeon will pick one of the pigeonhole to stay. What will happen? In any situation, we can conclude that if one pigeonhole, there will be at least 2 pigeons. Next, sir. If we can say if n minus 1 objects are put into n boxes, then at least one box contains 2 or more objects. Generalized pigeonhole principle: if k is a positive integer and n objects are placed into k boxes, at least one of the boxes will contain n by k or more objects. Here x is called the ceiling function, which represents the round-up value of x. If kn plus 1 pigeon are kept in n pigeons whole where k is a positive integers, average numbers of pigeon per whole kn plus 1 by n equal to k plus 1 by n. If n pigeon are assigned to m pigeonhole and m less than n, then at least one pigeonhole contain two or more pigeon. Proof. Suppose each pigeon contain at most one pigeon, then n pigeon will be accommodated in m pigeonhole, one pigeon in each pigeonhole, but m less than n. Not all pigeons have been assigned pigeonhole. This is contradiction. Hence, there is at least one pigeonhole which contain two or more pigeons. Pigeonhole. It states that if n pigeons are assigned to m pigeonhole, the number of pigeons is very large than the number of pigeonholes. Then one of the pigeonhole must contain at least n minus 1 by m plus 1 pigeons. Example, so that in a group of 50 students, at least 5 are been in same month. Solution: n equal to 12 pigeonhole, kn plus 1 equal to 15 pigeon, kn plus 1 equal to 50, k into 12 plus 1 equal to 50, 12k equal to 49, k equal to 4, at least 4 plus 1 equal to 5 are born in same month.